The Nether and the End have been the only dimensions in Minecraft for a long time. Have you ever wanted to add your own? This is how to do that in any version of Minecraft, including Bedrock. Custom dimensions always sounds a hell of a lot harder than it actually is. So it's actually quite simple. So the first thing you need to do is create a structure of what your portal is going to look like. So this is what I've got, copper dimension. Not important really, as long as there's somewhere the player can clearly go into to teleport, which is this inside of the portal. The other important thing is to have a command block hidden somewhere in the portal. So for me it's just down here. That's checking any player in this location. So this is tilde tilde tilde, so on the location of the command block, and then dx, dy, and dz, which all these do is takes one away from each one. So on the location of the x, or in the box that's drawn by -1. So on the location of the x, all the way to -1 of the x, and then 5 and -1. So what that will do is it looks at the location of the command block there, and anything that's in this box, so from here to here, and then up 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back across there, and down the whole thing there. It will check for anyone in that range. And then when it finds someone, it teleports them with the TP command over to these coordinates, which is where my dimension is. Obviously you can set this way in the sky, or somewhere where they're never going to find it, so that it does feel like another dimension. And then save that as a structure. I've just got it as portal 1. Make sure that you've got everything included, so your command block and all of the portal, and then just save that. The other thing you're going to need is some sort of structure which spawns in your portal. I've used a disk and named it copper portal gem. So you just make your thing. It can be anything as long as it's got a custom name, so it doesn't happen for lots of items. Just drop it into your structure block and save it as a structure, and then you can use it. So first, what command block is checking for any item with the name, so any type item, so any item on the floor with this name, like the same as my spawner, and that's repeating unconditional always active. It's on needs redstone, so it doesn't do it, but always active. The second one, chain conditional always active, will happen when that triggers, and that will execute at the location of the gem, run structure load portal 1, and then these just make sure that it's in the floor. So you can adjust those as you need to make sure that your portal spawns in the floor. And the last one, chain conditional always active, this one removes the spawner, because otherwise it will keep spawning in portals and it gets a bit messy. Okay, now we can test it. So you would just throw out your portal, and there we go. Maybe I should lower it by 1, but anyway. And that spawns in the portal, and it should be, as soon as I step into it, we're in the new dimension. So that's all it takes to make your own custom dimensions. If you'd like to subscribe, press the subscribe on the left. If you'd like to watch a video on how to make items merge together, press the video on the right. And it's just started raining. Hooray. Bye.